everybody, it's me Tess with Tess Lives Yarn, and you guys, we are here today for a different kind of video than what I normally post. Um, I am sorry I was not able to post a video on Sunday like I normally do. I was absolutely exhausted and I just did not have the energy to do it. I have had several of you email me asking if I'm okay, what's going on, and I have not talked about this a lot on YouTube, but in a I am having a health crisis right now. It's been going on for over a year. I have I did make a video when I was up at Mayo Clinic. I'm a patient at Mayo Clinic up in Minnesota. I live in Missouri, but my husband and I drive there. It's a 7-hour drive to Mayo Clinic, but my doctors here in St. Louis could not help me. So they referred me up to Mayo Clinic, and the problem that I'm having is my pancreas is not working. Uh, it's not working right, and it's really hard. um, so when I say it's not working right, we don't know why it's not working right. We just know that it's not working, and it's affecting my daily life tremendously. It's affecting my health in a lot of different ways because your body needs your pancreas to regulate your blood sugar, and mine is just not working. And no, I am not diabetic. I know people are wondering, you diabetic? No, that's not my problem. I am not diabetic at all. Uh, I have a pancreas that is just literally haywire. It is, I live in what my husband and I call low blood sugar land. So my pancreas overproduces insulin all the time. And it's very hard for me to be in a normal range of insulin in my body. And it can go very low. It can go so low that I pass out, uh, that I can go into a coma uh, from low sugar, and it happens very quickly, very suddenly, without any rhyme or reason, and nobody knows why. And we have spoken with some Washington University doctors who wanted to remove like 90% of my pancreas and only leave me a little bit to make insulin, hoping that by doing that it would decrease the insulin in my body, to actually even getting a pancreas transplant where I would get a whole new pancreas, and we would have to hope that it would be that would work, because there are not any guarantees that even that would work. When your pancreas doesn't work right, it affects other systems in your body, and it's not good. It's just not good. And so I have been going through that now for over a year, and it's been hard, not only on me, but on my family, and on my kids. And y'all know I have Wonder Boy. I don't know if you remember Wonder Boy, but he's 27 and he has Down syndrome and autism. And so I have a lot of responsibilities outside of just myself, because, he depends on me and my husband to take care of him in every way, you know, and my health has gotten in the way of that. I mean, my husband had to retire from working because it was too much. It was too much. And so this has been a big thing, and I have some decisions. My husband and I have some decisions to make about whether I want to go forward with a surgery that could possibly help, even though there are no guarantees that any of these options will work. But I enjoy life, and I want to keep going in that direction, because the alternative is not acceptable. And I don't want my life to be shortened because of this problem that I'm having with my pancreas. And, I am not a person who complains very much at all. I have had RA, rheumatoid arthritis, since I was about 32. I have had almost every joint in my body replaced, all my major joints replaced. And I really don't talk about it, because I want this channel to be upbeat, to be positive, to be all about the fiber arts, the things we love, the yarn, the crochet hooks, the knitting needles, the accessories, the patterns, all the things. I don't want it to be, a big drama, or I don't want people to think that I'm saying this, that I'm telling you about this to make excuses. But I think going forward, there may be other times where I miss putting a video up, just because I'm sick. And I thought it was only fair to let my subscribers know that, especially in light of the emails I've been getting. And bless you guys for that. Makes me feel good that you're emailing me and asking me if everything's okay. So thanks for caring. And yeah, so that is the health update. I will be having uh, most likely a surgery. I don't know which surgery I'm going to be having for sure, but it's looking like I'm definitely going to have some type of surgery. in the upcoming months to figure this out. I am kind of thinking I would rather wait until after the holidays, just so I can enjoy the holiday and not be convalescing or recuperating from any big major surgery. So I I'm going to consult with the doctors to see about waiting until after Christmas. And then, we'll go forward with one of our options. And yeah, so that's where I am right now. And I just want to thank you guys for all of your support and your love. And thank you for always, watching my videos and being there for me. All my subscribers and my private channel members, you guys are amazing. You have been with me through so much, losing my mom, my dad's Alzheimer's diagnosis, my own health issues that I did open up more to you guys about. So thank you for that. Thank you. And if you are new here, this isn't my normal video. My videos are normally very upbeat and positive. So I would love it if you would go down below and check out some of my other videos so that you can see my true personality and that positive spirit that I have. Usually, always, right? And if you like what you see, I would definitely be tickled pink if you would subscribe and become part of my little YouTube family. So, love you guys, and you know what's next. Be kind and be safe out there in the world, no matter where you are. And I will see you all soon, okay? Bye, everybody.